Hi there, it's Teacher Sheila once again, and I'm here to teach you how to read and pronounce the words properly at the same time. Okay, so we're now with the broad O sound. Yes, broad O sound. Now, in English, there are a lot of different sounds, not just a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so there is also what you call broad sounds. There is also what you call long sounds of the vowels, and there is also some vowels with no sounds at all or no sound at all. Now this time, let us have the broad O. Now when you say broad O, the sound of the letter A here is O. 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 It's like letter O, but it's more on O. There is a vibration coming from your throat. You have to feel the vibration, okay? So we read this word as all. One more time, all. Again, all. Okay, right. All. You will not say al because it's letter A. No, that's wrong. It should be all. 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 Can you feel the vibration there? I hope so. Okay, so that's all. All. Now, what if I'm going to put B here? It's going to be ball. One more time. Ball. One more time. Ball. Okay, so I hope that answered already the question of one of our follower, wherein the follower was asking, or he asked me, what about if it's going to be BALL? How is it being pronounced? If it's a, if you say a for letter A, how about if it's the word ball? So this is now the answer, because there are words in English that has totally different pronunciation, and some even don't follow rules. Okay, so you read this as ball. One more time, ball. Very good. Now I'm going to put this down, and let's have another one. K, and all is call. One more time, say call. Again, call. All right, very good. That's call. How about if I'm going to have this? All right, let's do it. Fall. One more time. Fall. Again, fall. Very good. That's fall. Now, let's have another one. This one. Hall. One more. Hall. Again, hall. Right, very good. Now, what about if I'm going to have this? Ready? Go. Tall. One more time. Tall. Again, tall. Very good. Another one. I'm going to put this with all. Ready? Mall. Again, mall. One more time. Mall. Very good. That's mall. Okay. Another. What about this? Ready? Wall. One more time. Wall. One more time. Wall. All right. Very good. So this one now says all. 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 Very good. So that's what you call the broad O sound. I hope you learned something today, and we're going to practice more words with broad O sound. Okay, on my next video. Bye for now.